Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Bismillah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala ashrafil anbiya'i wal mursaleen. Nabina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Wa man tabihum bi ihsan ila yawmiddin amma ba'd. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma. بسم الله الذي لا يضر مع اسمه شيء في الأرض ولا في السماء وهو السميع العليم. اللهم نرجو رحمتك فلا تكلنا إلى أنفسنا طرفة عين وأصلح لنا شأننا كله لا إله إلا أنت. اللهم أحسن عاقبتنا في الأمور كلها وأجرنا من خزي الدنيا وعذاب الآخرة. اللهم اجعل الحياة زيادة لنا في كل خير واجعل الموت راحة لنا من كل شر. اللهم أذهب البأس رب الناس واشفي أنت شافي لا شفاء إلا شفاؤك شفاء لا يغادر سقما. اللهم احفظنا تحت ظل عرشك لا يكون ظل إلا ظلك. نسأل الله أن يرزقنا وإياكم الفقه في الدين. نسأل الله أن يهدينا ويشرح صدورنا للإسلام. ربنا أتمم لنا نورنا واغفر لنا إنك على كل شيء قدير. ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار. أهلا وسهلا ومرحبا بكم يا أيها الإخوة في هذه الحلقة الجديد التي يتعلق بالتعلم اللغة العربية. أهلا يا إخوان. اليوم سنكمل الدرس 11 كاملا إن شاء الله. اليوم 11 chapter 11 إن شاء الله. We will complete it today because we are left with just 4 to 5 exercises. Inshallah we will be doing that. So I will be sharing the book now. It will be on your screen. It will be on the screen now. This was last time chapter. This was exercise number 11 we completed. Now we are on exercise number. We are now exercise number 12. Exercise number 11 was with harful istiqbal. Harful istiqbal means particle of futurity. It talks about the future, and we described and we tried to complete this exercise where it was like yazhabu and it was taktubu, it was tagsilu. Just we need to add seen, just the harf seen we need to add in front of the verb, and that will make the verb from the present, it will take it from the present tense to the future tense. Because if we say taktabu, taktubu means you are writing, like a risala, you are writing the letter. But if I say sataktubu, sataktubu, it means you will write the letter, you will write the risala. So that's why I told you it's a particle of futurity. We say harful istiqbal. Now coming back on exercise number 12, last time why we stopped. So then we have, it's a very simple exercise, just it is اقرأ المثالين ثم اكتب مصادر الأفعال الآتية على جرارها. So we need to read the two examples. Misal means example, misalani or misalaini means two examples. So we need to read the two examples. Sum maktub masadir. Then we need to write the masdar. We need to write the masdar, or masdar when we translate it means source. We need to write about the source of af'al, about the source of the verbs which are coming ala girariha in front of them. We will write the masdar. Now we know that uh, let me make a small presentation for this. By that it will be more beneficial and we can save that. Let's say we create a note here. For example, we say ism. We know that ism is a noun. It is a noun. So this ism, it can be divided. There are different ways of dividing the noun. Okay, but one of the categorization of the nouns, just one of the categorization is, we say that a noun can be a masdar. Masdarun means we say source. Once we say source, it means many things are coming from this. The second is we say mushtaq. Mushtaq. Mushtaq means derived. And the third is jamid. The third is jamid. Jamidun. Jamid is something, it is not derived from anywhere, from anything. It is itself a noun. For example, if we say filun means elephant, we say filun means elephant. So it's not coming from the masdar, but it's itself a word, filun, and nothing can be taken out from the feel, from the elephant. But as far as the mushtaq is concerned, it means the derived one. Like we say nasara. Nasara means that a third person, he was helped. Yansuru means he will be helped. So this can become nasirun. Okay, because now it comes to mushtaq. Nasir, the one who is helping. Mansur, who was helped. And the masdar comes as nasrun. So this mushtaq can be like we say uh, uh, qatala. Qatala means to kill. Qatil is someone who is killing someone, and maktul who was killed. And maktal is the place where the killing was done. Maktal. So this maktal, qatil, maktul, they are all mushtaq. They are all mushtaq because they are being derived from qatala. And actually it's not qatala, it's qatlun. Qatlun is the masdar, masdar. So this is the difference between three. Now today uh, we can save this. So this presentation needs to be saved. Just let me check. So Anyways, now coming on this, it is like often actually it came here, so now here we have al-madi. I have I don't know how to. I will share it again. Just daqiqa. Now we have al-madi means past tense, al-mudari future tense, and al-masdar. Al-masdar is the source. Now this will become clear here. Now we say in madi past tense we say dakhala, he entered. Mudara means future. Yadkhulu means he is entering. Or if I say sayadkhulu, if I say sa yadkhulu means he will enter. He will enter means the future tense. And the masdar is dukhul. Dukhul means entering. Dukhul means entering. So likewise we have kharaja yakhruju khuruj. Kharaja means to left. Khuruj means it means exit, leaving. We have jalasa yajlisu julus. Julus means sitting. Julusun. Julusun. Nazala means to descend. Yanzilu means it will descend. And nuzul. Nuzulun. Likewise, we have rakiba yarkabu means rakib means the rider. We say rakiba, we say rukubun. And means rakiba, then we rakiba means yarkau, means even we say means to do ruku. Then we have sajada yasjudu means sujud, to prostrate, to do sajda. Then raka'a yarkau, afwan, it's raka'a yarkau, rukuun means to do ruku. This is rukub means rider. Then we have saida yas'adu means climb, means to climb. Then we have suudun means climbing. Suudun. So these are all masdar. They are all on the wazn of fuulun. Fuulun. So you can say nuzulun, dukhulun, khurujun. On the airport you see khuruj means exit. Dukhul means entering. So what are these khuruj, dukhul? Now this will be clear here now. Khuruj, dukhul, they are all masdar. Now coming on to the exercise number 13, ikra il jumal al-atiyata wa ayyinil masadir al-waridata fiha. So ikra il jumla, we have to read the sentences which are coming wa ayyin, and we have to, ayyin means we have to point. Ayyana yuayyinu, ayyin means to point. Masadir, we have to point out the masadir warida which are coming fiha, in the jumal, in the sentences. Now we have first one, لهذه الحافلة بابان هذا للدخول وذاك للخروج. لهذه الحافلة, it is actually بابان لهذه الحافلة. This hafila or this bus is having two doors. هذا للدخول, this is for entering. وذاك للخروج, and that's for exit. So dukhul and khuruj are the masdar. Just we have to point out where are they. مات الرجل بعد رجوعه من الحج. مات الرجل, man died. مات يموت. بعد رجوعه, after his return. Raja'a, it is raja'a means to, raja'a means third person, he returned. And the masdar will be on the wazn fu'ul, so it will be ruju, rujun. That's why it's written here ruju, but he is the muzaf ilay. Ruju'ihi, muzaf and muzaf ilay. It means he returned min al hajj, from the hajj. So ruju is the masdar here. يدخل الطلاب الفصل قبل دخول المدرس بخمس دقائق ويخرجون بعد خروجه. يدخل الطلاب, the students enter the fasl, enter the class, قبل, before دخول المدرس, before entering of the teacher, before the teacher entered, by 5 minutes. بخمس دقائق, دقائق is mamnu min al-sarf, that's why it's diptote, it's not daqaiki. According to rules of muzaf and muzaf ilay, it should be daqaiki, but it's mamnu min al-sarf, so it is daqaika. Wa yakhrujuna, kharaja is past tense, yakhruju is the future tense, and this is mufrad or wahid. Yakhruju, yakhrujani means two persons, yakhrujuna means plural, many. That's why yakhrujuna means all the tullab. Wa yakhrujuna, they left ba'da khurujihi, yani after the teacher left. It means that the students came before the teacher 5 minutes and they left after the teacher left. Wa ba'da khurujihi. So khuruj is the masdar, dukhul is the masdar in this sentence. Then we have قال لنا الطبيب الجلوس هنا مع المريض ممنون. Most of the times in the hospital it's mentioned that you cannot sit with the patient. So in Arabic we say الجلوس مع المريض ممنون. So mana'a means to prohibit, ma'na'a, so the mother will be mamnu on the wazan fu'ulun, on the wazan fu'ulun. Julusun mamnu'un, mamnu'un, mana'a mamnu'un is the masdar, but is not on the wazan fu'ul. It's on some other masdar, but here the julus is on the fu'ul, is on the fu'ul masdar. Mamnoon is from mana'a. It is actually we can say it's a maf'ul, it can be, or it can be sometime it can be taken as the zarf or the place here. Mamnoon means it's prohibited, or it can also be a masdar as maf'ulun. Mamnoon, because the masdar has more than 30 ways of coming. It's not always it will be fu'ulun. It can be fu'ulun, or it can be like we say we have like juhud, or like we say fi'alun. It can be as fi'al or iftial. There are different ways that the masdar will come. So this is one of the ways of one of the types of masdar on the wazan fu'ulun. We will study in the forthcoming chapters regarding different ways how the masdar is being built. Then we have as-su'udu al-jabali, as-su'udu al-jabali sabun wa nuzulu minhu sahlun. It means that the su'ud means climbing, al-jabali, on the wall, sabun is difficult, wa nuzul, but the descent, minhu, from the from the hill or min al jabal sahlun is easy. So here is su'udun is the masdar here on the wazan fu'ulun, and nuzul is also the masdar. Then we have uhibbu rukubal khayli. Uhibbu, ahabba, yuhibbu, uhibbu means I love. Rukuba means I love to ride. What? Khayl. Afwan. Uhibbu rukub al khayl means I love to ride the. Yeah, I love horse riding. I love horse riding. Huh? I love horse riding. Then we have قال حامد لابنه ياسر سأذهب إلى السوق بعد رجوعك من المدرسة. Means قال حامد told لابنه to his son ياسر سأذهب I will go إلى السوق إلى market بعد رجوعك after you came back من المدرسة from the institution. Once you are back, I will go after your return from the institute, from the school. So again, ruju is the masdar in this. Then we have next exercise. تعمل الأمثلة ثم أجب عن الأسئلة مستعملا أما. Amma means, if we try to translate amma, this is a frequently used word. It is being used that once we are talking about two things, same time we are talking about two things. So it means as far as, if we translate amma means as for as. Now here it's written aina taskununa. Aina taskununa, where you all are staying. Now the answer is ikhwati يسكنون في محاجي الجامعة أما أنا فأسكن مع قريب لي. إخوة or أخٌ, the jama is إخوة. So إخوتي means, what will the translation of إخوتي?
My brothers.
Yes, my brothers. Ikhwati, my brothers, yaskununa, they are living fi mahajil jamia. They are living in the dormitory or in the hostel of the university. Fi is harjar, that's why mahaji is muzaf, and jamiati is muzaf ilay. So university hostel, or we say this. Then the statement continues, amma, as far as, ana, I am, fa askunu, I am staying, ma karibin li, I am staying nearby, or I am staying with my relative. أتعرف الإنكليزية والفرنسية جيدا يا حامد. أتعرف الإنكليزية والفرنسية جيدا يا حامد. أتعرف, do you understand English and the French well, O Hamid? أما, as far as, إنكليزية فأعرفها جيدا. As far as the English language is concerned, I know it very well. And one thing regarding amma is that the khabar of amma comes with a fa. The khabar of amma comes with a fa. Like we say here, amma inkliziyatu, as far as the English language is concerned, fa'arifu. Inkliziyatu is mubtada and the khabar is arifuha jayidan, khabar fi jumla fi'liya, so it comes with fa. Wa amma firinsiyatu, as far as the French language, fa darastuha qabla sanawatin walakinni nasituha alad. وَأَمَّا الْفِرَنْسِيَةُ, as far as the French language is concerned. Now see, this is the mubtada. This is the place from where we are starting the sentence. Mubtada is the subject, and the khabar is fi jumla fa'liya. Darastuha, I studied it. Qabla sanawatin, sanawat, I studied it before I studied it few years ago. I studied it few years ago. Walakinni, but I, nasituha, I forgot it. I forgot it. I don't remember it now. So this is walakinna. Lakinna is one of the sisters of inna. Inna lakinna, and this ya is ismu lakinna, and nasituha is khabru lakinna. This we know inna wa akhwatuha, inna and her sisters. So we will say wa amma, as far as the French language is concerned. Fadarastuha, darasa yadrusu. Darastu means I studied. Darastuha yani darastul Ferenciyata, I studied the French. Qabla sanawatin, few years ago. Walakinni, but I nasituha, I forgot it. Al-an, now. Become hazal kitabu wa hazil majalla. Become, what is the price of this book and this magazine? أما الكتاب فهو بعشرة ريالات. As far as the book is concerned, if we are considering the book, فهو. Now why the فهو came? Because al-kitab is the mubtada, and huwa bi asharatil riyalatin is the khabar type 3, where the khabar is fi jumla ismiya, in the nominal sentence bi asharati riyalatin. Wa ammal majallatu, as far as the magazine is concerned, fahiya. Why here? Because majalla is muannas. Bi salasati riyalatin, it is for 3 riyal, and the book is for 10 riyal. Salasati riyalatin. Aina al-mustashfa wa aina al-maktabul barid. Where is the hospital and where is the maktabul barid? Where is the post office? So we will say in answer, amma al-mustashfa, we will say amma al-mustashfa fahuwa amama dhakal masjidi. As far as the hospital is concerned, fahuwa, it is in front of the, it is amama dhakal masjid, it is in front of that masjid. Wa maktabul baridi fahuwa karibun min as-suq. As far as the maktabul barid is concerned, it is fahuwa karibun min as-suq, it is near from the road. Fi ayyi kulliyatin yadrusu Hamid wa Usmanu. Fi ayyi kulliyatin, in which college? Yadrusu Hamidun. Hamid and Usman is studying. So we will say amma Hamidun fayadrusu. This is the catch here. Yadrusu. Fayadrusu fi kulliyati tijarati. Why fa? Because fa is the khabar fi jumla fa'liya. So it is coming with fa. We can also write yadrusu, but according to rule, after amma the khabar will come with fa. So fa yadrusu fi kulliyati tijara. He is studying in the business college. Wa Usmanu fayadrusu fi kulliyati tib, and Usman is studying in the medical college. Aina zahaba abuka wa akhuka. Where your father and your brother left. So we will say, Dr. Humayun, would you try for this sentence, Bisura? Aina zahaba abuka, where your father and your brother left. Dr. Himayu. So we will write maybe some connection problem. So we will say here, Amma Abi. So if I have to say my father, I will say
أما أبي
Amma
فهو يذهب
fayazhabu. Amma Abi fayazhabu ila al-mustawsif
ويذهب إلى المستوصف
ila al-mustawsaf wa akhi wa
وأما أخي وأما أخي فهو يذهب إلى المستشفى
fayazhabu ila saydaliyati. فهو يذهب إلى صيدلية. مستوصف means clinic and صيدلية means pharmacy. Just we have to put فهو sorry فيذهب عفوا فيذهب for both. فيذهب إلى الصيدلية فيذهب إلى المستوصف. Now coming on to the next exercise. تعمل الأمثلة الآتية. Ponder over the following example. It is جاء أخي من مكة. جاء أخ لي من مكة. جاء أحد إخوتي. جاء أحد إخوتي. Now what we have to learn in this, that جاء يجيء means to come. جاء أخي من مكة, my brother came from Makkah. Then جاء أخ, brother came li, with me min Makkah, from Makkah. جاء أخ means a brother came. جاء أخ li, my brother came with me from Makkah. Then we have جاء, came ahadu ikhwati, came one of my brothers, ikhwati. ذهبت لزيارة صديقي. ذهبت لزيارة صديق لي. لزيارة أحد أصدقائي. Now we will say ذهب we will say ذهب لزيارة صديقي. Sorry, ذهبت I went لزيارة صديقي, to meet, to make a visit to my friend. لزيارة صديقي. I went. Now here ذهبت, I went لزيارة صديق لي. صديق لي. ذهبت لزيارة means I ذهبت, I went لزيارة, to visit صديق لي. So actually it was صديق لي, it became صديقي. It becomes صديقي. Now here لزيارة أحد أصدقائي, to visit one of my friends. أسكن مع قريبي. أسكن مع قريبي, I live with one of my relatives. أسكن مع قريب لي. أسكن, I am living مع قريب لي, with my relatives. مع أحد أقربائي. مع أحد أقربائي means one of my relatives. So this is the way by which you can use ahad with the jama. Now we have some al-kalimat al-jadid, like darasa yadrusu darsan dirasatan. This is the masdar which I was talking about. It's not always fu'ulun or durusun. It can also be darsan or dirasatan. Aruzun means rice. Shakara yashkuru shukran means be thankful. Nazala yanzilu nuzulan means to descend. Karibun, the jama is akribau. Saida yas'adu su'udan means to descend, to climb. Saida means to climb. Arafa yarifu ma'rifatan. Arafa means to know. Ma'rifa is the masdar. Mata yamutu mautan. Nasitu means I forgot. Sakana yaskunu sukunan. Sakanan means house. Bitaqatun, the jama is bitaqat means card. Then we have mahattatun means the station. Mahattatun. Then saubun is siyabun means dress. Risalatun means letter. Rasail is the jama. Then we have hallakun means barber. Hallakuna. Mustawsaf means clinic. Then we have saydaliyatu means pharmacy. Bahasa anin nabi bahasa anis shay'i yabhasu bahsan. Bahasa anis shay'i. Bahasa anis shay'i means he searched about the things. Yabhasu means he will search. Bahsan is the masdar. Then we have khailun or khuyul means horse. Unwanun means address. Anavinu means addresses. Qadim ala wazni fa'ilun. So we will stop here. Inshallah, next week we will start with chapter number 12. وَقُولُ قَوْلِ هَذَا أَسْتَغْفِرُ اللَّهُ لِي وَلَكُمْ جَزَاكُمُ اللَّهُ خَيْرًا يَا إخوان بارك الله فيك.